There have been some very dramatic scenes in the highest court of the country, an unprecedented turn of events in India's Supreme Court. You can call it a big showdown, you can call it high drama, you can call it dramatic scenes, but it involves one of India's best-known lawyers, Prashant Bhushan, yelling at the Chief Justice of India and other judges. This pertains to the medical scam cases that are being heard in the Supreme Court, where the Chief Justice has said that he will hear these cases himself. And Prashant Bhushan has yelled at the Chief Justice of India, saying, "You are one of the accused in the case itself, therefore how can you hear this case?" Prashant Bhushan, well-known high-profile Supreme Court lawyer, has yelled at the Chief Justice of India in the Supreme Court before storming out. Very dramatic scenes in India's highest court. This is a hugely sensitive case, the medical counsel scam cases that are being heard. I want to go straight across to our legal correspondent, Anusha Soni, who was in Supreme Court when this was happening. Anusha, unprecedented scenes in the Supreme Court, a very, very sensitive matter. Take us blow by blow through what happened.
Shiv, as you pointed out, this is unprecedented. Let me just put it into perspective for our viewers. Yesterday, there was an order which was passed by Justice Chilameshwar. Justice Chilameshwar, who is known for his dissenting views on the entire collegium system and also the way, the Office of Chief Justice has sometimes worked in the past few years. Now, that order said that the MCI scam and the role of some sitting High Court and Supreme Court judges should be looked into this entire matter by a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court. Now, the Chief Justice of India did not want Justice Chilameshwar to hear this matter. In fact, during the hearing, a note was sent to Justice Chilameshwar saying that you cannot take up this matter. It is the discretion of the CJI. Now, out of the blue, it was not even listed. Suddenly, a 5-judge bench sits Court number 1 in the Chief Justice Court. Dipak Mishra, Justice Dipak Mishra, is on that bench. He openly confronted Prashant Bhushan and said that you've made wild allegations against me. There were other judges who defended the Chief Justice. I must also point out that the SPBA, the Bar Association, in fact said there should be contempt proceedings which should be initiated against Kamini Jaiswal, Prashant Bhushan, Dushyant Dave, all these lawyers who have been arguing. The argument against them was that they have flouted the rules of the registry and mentioning in the Supreme Court of India. After that, the big development is Prashant Bhushan walked out of the court. And secondly, the order of Justice Chilameshwar, which he passed yesterday, has been annulled by the Supreme Court 5-judge bench.
Anusha, so what happens to Prashant Bhushan now? Is he going to face contempt proceedings? What kind of trouble could he possibly be in now?
So, Shiv, from here on, the court was apprised and said that they could take suo motu action, but that is unlikely. That wasn't passed in the order today. What is likely is that the Bar Association may come forward and file a contempt proceeding, before the Supreme Court for Prashant Bhushan. But that is also something which would be very sensitive. Imagine we are talking about allegations against the Chief Justice of India, who heard the entire MCI scam. And clearly this raises questions on the institution, which was also the concern of the Supreme Court today, that such wild allegations, no one knows whether they are true or not, also hamper the dignity of the institution. But it is an open confrontation within the judiciary. We have seen this in the past in the collegium system, and now it's happening again. Okay, we're going to try and get word in from Prashant Bhushan in a moment. For the moment, though, thanks very much, Anusha, for putting that into perspective on this huge dramatic showdown in the Supreme Court of India.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.